Those that light up for sex are much better at forming new species compared to those that don't. So this is where it starts. Down in the midnight zone, a mile beneath the ocean surface, is pitch black, freezing cold, and social interaction is scarce. Finding love in these conditions can make the animals down there pretty desperate. And what do we all do when we're feeling desperate? We go too hard and embarrass ourselves. Fish are no different. When anglerfish find a girlfriend, they literally fuse with her. Literally. Not in a poetic, emotional way. We're talking biological absorption. Skin, blood vessels, nervous system. He becomes a permanent attachment, like a clingy ex, but medically certified. Eventually, he loses his organs, his eyes, his brain, and becomes a living pair of gonads, just hanging off her, like a gross love keychain. True commitment. Zero autonomy. Meanwhile, she goes about her day. Hunting, glowing, hosting up to 8 fused boyfriends at once. Polyamory meets biohorror, and it's not just anglerfish. In the paper nautilus, males are born without mouths, spend their entire lives searching for a female, and then detach their own reproductive arm and send it off like a love missile. Scientists call is sexual parasitism, when one sex, typically the male, becomes physically dependent on the other for survival and reproduction. It's an adaptation that helps deep-sea species survive in environments where finding a mate is rare. Using genetic analysis, researchers found out this strategy became possible because of anglerfish having crappy immune systems. Normally, an immune system would reject a foreign body fusing like this, but in anglerfish, weakened immune defenses allowed this unique reproductive strategy to develop. And that's what helps these fish survive in such a harsh environment. Prefer mood lighting? Imagine having your own romantic glow. Literally. Bioluminescent animals radiate their own light. Think fireflies, crabs, squid, and fish, all with their own personal spotlight. And it turns out researchers have found these living light bulbs are actually evolving faster and have more species than their glow-free relatives. A paper by Oakley found that across 10 different groups, from bugs to crabs, those that light up for sex are much better at forming new species compared to those that don't. Over time, the lights get brighter, the displays get flashier, and the species keep multiplying. Weirdly, this isn't the same for species that use their bioluminescence for camouflage or defense. It's only the ones that use it for sexy time. So it's not just about glowing for any reason, it's the glowing for love that seems to speed up the process.